Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute little pig and color it in later. We start with the little pig's nose. Then we draw 2 nostrils in the nose. Now we draw the eyes. We draw a small circle to the left of the nose, and then draw another small circle to the right of the nose. Draw a small smiling mouth in the middle under the nose. Then draw a small bow above the nose. And further up, above each eye, draw an eyebrow. Now draw 2 smaller circles in the eyes. And now we draw the pig's head. First the upper part in the middle. Then we draw both ears. First the ear on the left-hand side. And then the ear on the right-hand side. Starting from the tip of the right ear, we now draw the right side of the round face. However, break the line under the mouth and continue drawing a little to the left. From there, we also draw a round face up to the tip of the left ear. Let's continue with the legs of our little pig. We start with the right leg. Next, we draw the pig's bottom on the left-hand side, then continue the line to the left leg. Then we draw the second leg on the right-hand side. Only then do we draw the belly. Once between the 2 front legs, and then continue to the back left leg. And then draw the 4th leg under the belly. Now draw the pig's feet in the lower end of all 4 legs. And finally, we draw the pig's cute curly tail. To make it easier for you to recognize my drawing, I've made the lines and shapes thicker. And now we can color in the drawing. I first colored my whole piggy in a light pink. I then painted over the inside of the ears with a darker pink color. I also painted over the belly, nose and eyes. And finally, I added further accents with the color purple. I painted the eyes in blue, black and white. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.